Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fiesta Mk7 wing mirror. First, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, a Torx 20-bit, a Torx 25-bit, a 13mm socket, and a ratchet wrench. Always ensure your car's engine is off before starting. Having the correct replacement mirror assembly is also crucial for a smooth installation process. To begin, open your car door and carefully remove the screw cap covers from the armrest and door handle. Use your Torx bits to remove the screws, typically a Torx 25 for the armrest and a Torx 20 for the handle. Gently pry off the door card using a plastic trim tool, then disconnect the window switch and mirror adjuster electrical connectors. Finally, locate and remove the 13mm nut securing the mirror. Now, carefully feed the new wing mirror's electrical wiring through the door opening. Position the new mirror assembly onto the door, aligning it correctly. Insert and hand tighten the 13mm mounting nut, then use your ratchet wrench to securely tighten it to about 22 Nm of torque. Reconnect the mirror adjuster and window switch electrical plugs, ensuring they click firmly into place. With the new mirror secured and wired, reattach the door card, making sure all clips engage properly. Reinstall the Torx screws for the armrest and door handle, then replace their respective screw caps. Close the door and test the new mirror's functionality. Check all adjustments, including up, down, left, and right movements, and verify that any integrated indicator lights are working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your wing mirror.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.